Yo, what's up guys? I just got to Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I'm heading to Texas. Last few stops of this leg of the tour. We got Houston, Austin, Dallas, all coming up in the next 2 weeks. The closest one is gonna be at Southside Skate Park this Saturday. But yeah, now on my way over there, I'm just hitting some spots. I saw this on Google, the Catfish Banks. It's a little wet because it rained this morning, so I'm not sure how much of it I'll be able to skate, but yeah, I'm gonna mess around, check it out, and yeah, see what's going on over here. It's a pretty cool, interesting spot. It has these little humps everywhere, which is probably why they decided to build here. It's like these natural kind of bumps everywhere. Definitely looks a little rough, but yeah, that's what makes it fun. So let's warm up a little bit. That is way too fun. I want to do this, but it just looks a little sketchy. Yeah. Oh my God. This is a cool little quarter. Yeah, it looks like they had PVC coping, but it broke. Still skated though. Actually didn't realize there's a giant chunk of the concrete missing, so we'll probably have to stay on this little sliver here. You know, when I first pulled over, I pulled into the spot and I was like, it's kind of crusty, I don't know. It's like first session of the day. I was just like not really feeling it. I'm so glad I got out and got into it. You know, you like dive into the spot. Sometimes, you know, you get like involved in a trick or a certain thing and you really start to have a better appreciation for it. You know, sometimes just at first glance, you can be like, I don't know. But yeah. That board slide right off the bat and that little curb, I don't know, got me so psyched to skate. But yeah, that's it for me here. Now, gonna head to Lafayette. All right, guys, just drove 40 minutes south from Lafayette because I got there and pulled up to the park and it started drizzling and I wanted to skate. So I made the drive down here to this little park. And it just started drizzling here. Sun's kind of peeking out a little bit too, so I think we might be all right. But yeah, not too much going on at this park, but it's got some cool features. Nice little wall ride there. Spine. Little hip. What do you call it? Fly box, I guess. Quarter pipe, bank. That's all you need, really. You know, I kind of feel like trying to get some tricks on the hip today. See if I can still flip my board. Yep. Got a little drizzle. Oh, there's a nice little buckle. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how much board flipping my knee's gonna be able to do. I don't know if you guys could tell from there, but right where the bank starts, there's like a little indent. Throws you off, it's so weird. All right, come on. Wow. This is crazy. I wanted to get more tricks on the hip, but I don't know how many more tries my knee could take. It's different on transition, you know, if I'm not popping, I'm just grinding, and occasionally maybe a little flip trick, but just like, it's a different motion. Actually popping and like it's like a harder flick when I'm popping just, on the ground or on a hip. It's hurting my knee a little bit. And yeah, over the course of the past few days, I've tried to not mention my knee because I'm sure it gets annoying. Like every video, I'm just like talking about my knee, but it's definitely a reality and it's been annoying me. So I don't think it's anything too serious. I think it's just from the car, but yeah, it is what it is. So I'm gonna try a nollie bigger spin on the hip so I don't have to flick, but really, I'm not even safe there because it's more of the motion of sucking my leg up and like lifting it all the way up that hurts. But I think we can get a nollie bigger spin, so let's do one. Okay, we got it, we got it. Sometimes when I do this, I slide the wheels a little bit, and this is really sticky, so let's hope nothing happens. Whoops. Ah. Nice. That felt good. All right, given the current state of my knee, I think it'll be best if I just stop doing tricks on the hip, but I do really want to get a wall ride on this wall right here, but I'm too lazy to move that box. So I'm gonna try to go around it. You see it flopping out. Wow. Yeah, I think I'm good on wall rides. All right, I think I just had an idea. So when I started skating, well, a little bit after I started, hometown park, hip just like this, and I would do hospital flips, big spin hospital, I don't know all the technical names, alpha flip or whatever, but I would do all these different variations of that. And I just thought of another one, and I don't know how I didn't think of it. I don't know, it's just weird. All right, so picture you're coming up the hip. I'm regular, so I'm coming up the hip like a frontside flip, right? But instead of doing a frontside flip, I turn and do a hospital flip the board over and land fakie. So I don't even know what you would call that, but it makes sense in my head. Yeah, it might over rotate, but I don't know. I'm gonna kick a couple around and see where it goes. That's definitely possible. Ow. My knee is so bad right now. That's not even the leg I'm flicking with. I just can't even move the other one. Ow. But I really want to do this trick. Okay. All right, that was an air ball. This could be in the running for ugliest trick 2025. That's, what is that? Ow. How is it? Yo. Yeah. Oh my God. Yo, I'm so psyched right now. All right, let me try to get one again from a different angle because I think it might look better. Okay. All right, that one was third try. Definitely starting to feel a little more comfortable with it. So this trick, it's essentially like doing a hospital flip on a bank to fakie, right? But you're on a hip, so you're still going straight, but you're landing fakie, which kind of makes it like a half flip body varial, you know? So even though technically it would be like shiftying or rotating like half a turn front side, it's still, I think it would just be like, it's not a cancel flip because I think that's done with your back foot. So it'd be like a half flip body varial. I don't even know. Or maybe it's a hospital flip body varial. I couldn't tell you, I don't know. But either way, that felt amazing. And yeah, that made my day right there. I don't need to do anything else. That was awesome. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end on that note. I'll see you guys tomorrow.